Forex trading. In this short video, I'm going to talk about Forex trading for beginners. I'm going to share the best Forex trading strategies that I use to make Forex pips each and every day. I will show you how to trade step by step, how to trade Forex successfully. I will tell you some of the most overlooked yet very important Forex trading tips and Forex trading tutorials on how to become the best, consistent and successful Forex traders. Keep in mind, having the best Forex indicators and the best Forex technical analysis on MetaTrader 4 does not guarantee you making any money at all, or you making profit without the right Forex trading mindset. So the best Forex trading strategies work only when you have the right trading mindset. A lot of unsuccessful and new retail traders are very ignorant. So let's get started, guys. Now I'm going to share what I wish someone had taught me before I started trading Forex. The Forex market is very big. It is built in such a way that the majority of Forex traders lose money. That is why I decided to make this video and help some of you guys who are willing to watch this video to the end and also willing to put up the extra hard work. I will show you how to make your first money online. I promise, if you haven't made a withdrawal from a Forex broker, don't worry. This is your first time and it won't be the last time. So the majority of Forex mentors and Forex courses out there, they do not outline or show the real truth about Forex trading. I've watched a lot of Forex lifestyle videos and they sell courses that are below standard. So if you have watched this video up to this far, I am Forex teacher and I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex successfully, how to trade Forex like a professional. If at any point you wish or you think this video is very helpful, please pause the video and hit the thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and also comment below so that you help us rank higher and help others find us and also this information. I'm going to look at the overlooked things. All right, first is the trader's expectation. If you are just getting into Forex trading, you probably have seen a lot of websites promising to teach you how to turn $1,000 into $1 million within a year. You have seen advertisements telling you that you can quit full-time job or part-time job and start trading for a living. You have heard about a huge leverage which many Forex brokers allow you to use and think that leverage could be the key to making it overnight. But they are not healthy, intelligent claims, and they do not promote realistic expectations. A lot of people who are attracted to Forex are part of the get-rich-quick crowd. Naturally, there is nothing wrong with wanting to get rich quick, but the fact is, quick in real life rarely means a year. I've been trading Forex for more than a decade now. When I first mastered how to trade Forex successfully or properly, I bought 3 cars within 1 year: E320 Mercedes, 5 Series BMW and the BMW X5. So yes, it is possible to make money trading Forex, and you can trade Forex for a living. These are not bold claims. That is why I do not focus on myself when I'm making my Forex videos, because it does not help you in any way. But for background check or curiosity's sake, please check below in the description. I've put a link to my free Forex Signals. If you are new to this channel, or you have just joined, or this is your first video that you see, I've been sending free Forex Signals via Telegram for the past 4 years. You can also check the recent Forex Signals in the channel. As I'm making this video, I also have 2 Forex trades that are running. I also share those same trades with the group members. They are still running. Gold has reached 222 pips and EURAD has actually reached 147 pips. So trading using a 0.1 lot, that is equal to $226 on gold and $147 on EURAD. So trading for a living starts right when you get rid of the mentality of get rich quick or get rich overnight mentality. The trader's expectation is highly overlooked by so many unsuccessful Forex traders. This is the route to failure. That is why 95% of forex traders in the world are losing money in the forex market. Most retail traders are very ignorant. They think what they don't know in the forex market is what makes them lose money. All the information that they need to start trading forex successfully is right there in front of you right now. Another thing I'm going to look at, in forex trading, there is no such thing as a bulletproof strategy. No matter how many indicators or forex indicators that you use on your charts, or how many confirmations that you get before you enter a trade, or how you combine your technical analysis and your forex fundamental analysis, there will always be one losing trade. Anyone telling you otherwise, run away as far as you can. That is a forex scam. They do not know how to trade, or they've never traded forex before. Do not expect to get rich quick. Alright, there is no magic in forex trading. It is not easy. That is why a lot of forex traders are failing to trade. Forex trading requires a lot of patience, dedication, discipline, and hard work. Unlike other businesses, this is not a forgiving industry. Make one mistake, you could blow your forex account. Stop looking for shortcuts to trading and learn how to trade forex with the right trading mindset. So the reason why I say, unlike other businesses, forex is also supposed to be treated as a business. So for you to be successful in any business, you need a plan. So the second thing I'm going to look at, you need a trading plan. So you cannot make any cent, or if you happen to make any profits, you are going to lose them eventually because you don't have any plan. All right, so you need to design a trading plan that suits your trading style. So I can help you build your trading plan. The first thing you need on your trading plan is to write down physically, what assets are you going to trade, what time frame are you going to look at, what indicators or what analysis are you going to use. All right, also you are going to write what risk are you going to use. All right, and how many trades are you going to take a week or per day, and what your expectation, what you are going to do if the trade goes against you, how to enter, how to exit. You should know before you enter those trades. So this is very, very important information, but a lot of courses out there, they overlook, they don't talk about it. They only show you how to buy Lamborghinis and all those get rich quick things. All right, so you need to have a trading plan. Without a trading plan, you can never succeed in any forex trading, regardless of what indicators or what system you are using to trade. You are going to lose money, and you are going to lose and blow your accounts, and you are going to get disappointed each time that happens. So stop trying to find shortcuts. Stop thinking or having that mentality that you can have the best trading indicator that is going to just change everything. All right, you need to have that best indicator, and at the same time you need to have a trading plan that suits your trading style. All right, so with that being said, you can actually see some of the people that have been using my trading indicators. So if you guys want to have also that trading indicator, like this video, comment in the description below, and you can stand a chance to win the forex indicator. So I'm going to share this with I'll just pick one winner from every video that I upload. So make sure to subscribe so that you also follow me and see whenever I upload a new video. So I don't want to make this video very long. What you see on the screen is my forex trading strategy. I developed this system, and it draws boxes. If it draws a green box, I buy. If it draws a red box, I sell. It's simple as that. I don't need any other confirmation. All right, so you can actually see the proof is right here. These are the two trades I was talking about that they are still running. I enter when this first red box formed, and it went all the way from here. It went all the way to 189. All right, and then if you remember, if you are in the group, I also gave another entry which was above. I think it was somewhere around here. All right, so this is the one which went about 226 pips. It was somewhere around here, I don't know, but I'll check it and also just put the link for the channel so that you also check for yourself. So I also sent another signal, which was euro AUD right here. You can actually see it from here. It went all the way from here. It went about 140 pips, but when I send this trade, I actually send it right here. It generated 147 pips. All right, and this is just in one day. So you can imagine if you were trading one full lot, that's about 1,400. Yes. So you can actually see down here, these are some of the trades that are still running. I let this trade run over the weekend, so I'm going to close them tomorrow. It's Monday. Tomorrow is Sunday. I'm going to close them when the market opens. You can see that there's this symbol for this represent gold. It's actually $1,000 in profit right now. In the euro AUD, you can see it's 399 in profit right now. I can also go to the account history to show you some of the take profits which were hit on gold. All right, so you can see that the other entry was actually above, which was 1964 to 1, which is probably 1964 to 1. 1960. Okay, this is gold, so this is 1964 to 1. It's probably around here. So from year to year, that's the 220 pips that I was talking about. So my trading style is very simple. You can actually see, if you scroll back, this was actually the previous signal on euro AUD. It went all the way from here to here. That's about 400 pips, 427 pips. All right, you can get a lot of trading opportunities. You can see this previous signal also, it went about 254 pips, and also these small wins like 80 pips. So 80 pips is a lot of pips, guys. If you are trading forex, you know that it's very difficult even to get 30 pips, and 30 pips is a lot. So this one was actually 170 pips. So this was 170, this was 80 pips, this was 250 something pips, and then this one now. So you can see that you can easily even just make sure you follow a few current pairs. There's no need for you to be trading a lot of pairs. All right, you can see that you can easily generate these signals are just there for the past 2 weeks. All right, the past 2 weeks you were actually able, like, if you are trading using my forex trading system, you're actually going to get at least close to more than 700 pips. All right, just from these few signals. So if you are trading 2 pairs, you can actually generate a lot of also pips. All right, so using my trading system, if you enter a buy trade right here, it goes all the way. When it turns red, you should not be in any buy position. So if you have put your take profit and your take profit was hit, it will close the trade. But just in case you didn't put, or your take profit was far up, right, or far away from your entry, if it turns red, you should exit all the trades. And the opposite is also for the sell signals. So your take from this video: set your expectations. All right, you shouldn't expect a lot, or you should set a realistic expectation. Don't dream of making 10,000 from a 1,000 overnight. All right, this is a long-term thinking. Make sure even your trading plan that you are going to develop, it's in long term. All right, this is not there's no shortcut about this. You can make quick bucks right here and lose it all. So don't try to make shortcuts. That's the take from this video. Don't make shortcuts. Make sure your expectations are realistic, and also you need to have a trading plan. Without a trading plan, you can never be successful in forex trading. And you need to have, if you are going to have an indicator or any technical analysis that you use, make sure it's a proper one, which is why I suggested that if you want this trading system that I have, you can actually contact me. I can tell you how to get the system. I can tell you how to get it for free or how to buy it. All right, So with that being said, you should always remember that traders with confidence in their trading and their systems are those who trust themselves to do what needs to be done without hesitation, are the ones who become successful. They no longer fear the erratic behavior of the markets, because the market is so manipulated that in so many ways, I can even point to you guys the manipulation that was done. Like right here, if you look at this chart here, all right, this was, it went, okay, let's say you were looking at this chart, right, before all these forms, all right, before this form, all right, the time you start seeing this coming down, you'll be targeting that if it reaches this area, all right, because there's a resistance right here, it's going to turn and continue, all right, because that's what the forex brokers are teaching you, which is not true, all right. So if you have this trading system, there's no market manipulation here. So you find out that even when you were, if you have entered your sell trade right here, all right, the moment it goes down a bit and it start coming up, you don't panic because you have a trading plan. Everything is according to your trading plan. So you see, the market went up for about, from here it was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 hours, all right. So if you were trading, or if you are an experienced trader, you start thinking that the market is coming back, and if you had gone in profit a bit, you start thinking that you are going to lose money, so let me just come out right now. The moment you come out of that trade, it continues your way, all right. So don't panic when you place a trade. Don't panic and don't adjust trades like just because of greediness, all right. Don't adjust trades just because of greediness. Follow your trading plan. So you can see that when it reached this resistance here, it gave an illusion as if it's going to go back up when it reached this resistance here, all right. You can see when it reached here, it turned. This was just to make other people to buy, because they knew that it was in a buy trend, all right. So they wanted some of the traders to keep on buying right here, because most of the time traders, they don't buy down here. Like what, if you are using my trading system, you could have ended here. By the time it reaches up here, you are already preparing to exit, or you have already exited the trade, and you find out that is when a lot of traders are trying to enter the market, all right. So you can see also here, this was a nice signal right here, from here to here, that's about 100 pips. So this is just a good example of market manipulation.